Rose-shaped cookies for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is that one time when children show their moms their appreciation and love. They could do it every day of the year too, but sadly many leave it to these special days. So what do you give mom for Mother's Day? A bouquet of red roses? Or chocolates? Or a beautiful cake? Why not go the extra mile and bake mom a bunch of roses? Let her eat a rose made with love. I hear you saying, what on earth is she talking about, bake roses? It's not as far-fetched an idea as it sounds. All you do is make some soft cookies and shape them into a rose to gift your mom. What ingredients do you need to make rose cookies for Mother's Day? You'll need refined wheat flour, semolina, powdered sugar, butter, egg, baking powder, vanilla essence, and food color. How to make rose-shaped cookies? First, you need to mix the flour, baking powder, powdered sugar, butter, and eggs. After mixing it a little, add the vanilla essence and semolina. Why add the semolina later although it's a dry ingredient? Because adding it later ensures it doesn't absorb too much of the butter and stays crunchy. Form a dough and then wrap this in cling film or saran wrap and refrigerate it until the next day. If you're in a hurry, you can refrigerate it for only 30 minutes, but if you have time on your hands, a whole day is best. The next morning, divide the dough into 2 parts, and add pink or red food color to one of the parts and mix well. Make small parts of the dough and form a few cylindrical rosebuds of both colors. Then take a little dough and shape the petals by rolling out a bit of the dough, then placing each layer over the other like a petal until it forms a rose. Cut the lower half of the rose dough and set aside. These discarded pieces can be used to form other cookies. I turn them into hearts. I'll put the heart recipe in the description. Line the rose cookies on a baking tray, sprinkle them with a little powdered sugar and bake in an oven for 25 minutes at 200 degrees. These soft homemade cookies are the perfect treat for